Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video to help you with your German driving license Class B theory exam. If you have not yet watched my previous videos, I suggest you watch them. I have created separate playlists for your easy reference. Mastering Safe Load Transportation, Key Principles and Practices. This lesson covers the importance of safe load transportation, focusing on understanding load specification, securing loads, and maintaining vehicle stability. Ensure to check the vehicle's roof load specification and gross vehicle weight rating. Do not exceed axle load limits and use proper equipment to prevent load shifting. Sorry, I've used a lot of jargons, but these might appear in your question pack. But in simple words, to make you understand, make sure to check how much weight your vehicle's roof can safely carry and the maximum total weight your vehicle can handle. Avoid overloading the front or rear axles and use the right tools or straps to keep the load securely in place so it doesn't move while driving. Okay, but also aware of these technical language as well because this would appear in your exam pack. Uneven load distribution impacts driving stability, especially during braking and cornering. Heavy luggage should be stored low and centered. Adjust tire pressure and suspension when carrying extra load. Again, in simple words, if the load is uneven, it can make the car harder to control, especially when braking or turning. Place heavy items low and in the center of the car. Also adjust the tire pressure and the suspension to handle extra weight safely. For cars, as you can see in the image, use lashing straps and safety nets to secure the loads. Motorcycles should have evenly distributed loads and be aware of the change of center of gravity. Trucks and trailers must follow load distribution plans and secure the loads appropriately. And what does that mean? Trucks and trailers need to make sure that the weight of the load is spread out evenly to keep the vehicle stable and safe. The cargo should be properly tied down or secure to prevent it from shifting or falling off during transport. When carrying roof loads, securely attach holding devices and regularly check the fixing. Avoid high speeds and be cautious of side winds. For rear mounted loads, ensure the system is stable for the vehicle and does not obstruct lighting or the license plates. Let's look at some legal and safe responsibilities. Loads extending laterally or to the rear must be marked with appropriate lights. Compliance with height and overhang regulations is essential. All parties involved in transport are responsible for securing loads. Ensuring road safety is not compromised. Ensure load securing devices are checked regularly and replace any damaged equipment as soon as possible. Before trips, verify load distribution and adjust the vehicle settings, for example like your tire pressure. I've also covered a lot in this lesson where I have clearly explained where you should mark your load. The load markings are explained in this lesson, so please refer them at your convenience. The video in the I button for your convenience. That's all with this video. I will see you in the next one.